Introducing the Bluevua Reverse Osmosis System, a revolutionary countertop water filtration solution that combines cutting-edge technology with premium materials to provide you with pure, clean drinking water without the need for complex installations. In this review, we'll delve into the key features and benefits of this innovative system, from its high borosilicate glass craft to its advanced 4-stage filtration process and water-saving capabilities. Join us as we explore how this system can elevate the quality of your everyday tap water. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Countertop filtration with premium quality craft. This system offers a hassle-free countertop water filtration solution without the need for complex plumbing or installation. Its standout feature is the high borosilicate glass craft, which replaces traditional plastic containers. This not only reduces the risk of secondary pollution, but also adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. The choice of materials makes it one of the best countertop water filter systems in terms of both functionality and aesthetics. Number 2. Power saving / water saving. The system's automatic power saving standby mode is a thoughtful addition that reduces power consumption when the device is not in use. Additionally, it efficiently utilizes leftover water from filtration cycles, minimizing wastage. While these features contribute to water and energy conservation, some users might prefer even more aggressive power-saving options. Number 3. 4-stage filtration. This system employs a robust 4-stage filtration process that ensures the water you consume is exceptionally pure. It claims to filter out an impressive 99.9% of all possible contaminants, guaranteeing safe and clean tap water for your family. This level of filtration sets it apart in terms of water quality and safety. Number 4. Filter Life Monitor. One of the most convenient aspects of this system is the longevity of its filters, which can last between 12 to 24 months, providing 1 to 2 years of clean drinking water before replacement is necessary. The 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio is impressive and helps save water. The built-in monitor display keeps you informed about filter service life and water quality, making it easy to schedule replacements and maintain the system effectively. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 14.3 inches length by 10.9 inches width by 15.4 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 3 reasons to buy. High-quality borosilicate glass craft. No plumbing or installation is required. 4-stage filtration for exceptionally pure water. 1 reason not to buy. May not provide extremely aggressive power-saving options for some users. Conclusion. The Bluevua Reverse Osmosis System offers a top-notch countertop water filtration solution with its premium quality craft, excellent filtration performance, and filter life monitoring. While it excels in many areas, some users may desire even more aggressive power-saving features. Nonetheless, it's a solid choice for those seeking pure and convenient drinking water without the need for complicated installation. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.